create backups so you can restore them, right? To help with that, in a few different ways, Cloud Backup offers quick file restoration, which, just like the backup process, is direct and on a block level. And you can restore at any granularity you need, entire volumes, folders, or single files. This can be done with Cloud Backup's browsable catalog or searchable catalog. Yes, that's right. NetApp finally has an index catalog. If you know the exact name of the volume, file, or directory you need to restore, you can use the browsable catalog to locate it and restore it with a few clicks. In case where you have an old backup from a while back, or if you're not sure if a backup was ever created, you can search for it using the searchable catalog. Locate the relevant volume, folder, or file, click on Restore. See the volume information, select the destination type, and validate the destination details. The index covers your entire backup footprint using the native cloud provider indexing technology. Each cloud has its own way of doing it. And yes, the index catalog is also available if you're using Cloud Backup to protect data on premises. You still can search for your backups. To read more about Cloud Backup's index catalog, read my blog that is just next to this video.